Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home, right? This video is specially for Vijayadashmi newly admitted students. Shall we start today's session? Are you all happy, dears? We should make ourselves happy every day. Okay, dears? Last class, what we see? Last class, we see about myself, then my family, then domestic animals. What are the domestic animals we see? Cow, COW, cow. Goat, GOAT, goat. Horse, HORSE, horse. Buffalo, BUFFALO, buffalo. Dog, DOG, dog. Cat, CAT, cat. Next one, what is this? It is a rat. What is this? It is a rat. RAT, rat. Sheep, SHEEP, sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Donkey, DONKEY, donkey. Camel, camel. CAMEL, camel. Rabbit, RABBIT, rabbit. RABBIT, rabbit. Squirrel, what is this? Squirrel. We see every day, right? This is a squirrel, Anil. What is this? Squirrel, SQUIRREL, squirrel. Next one, pig, 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 pig. Okay, these are the domestic animals we see in the last class. Now, what are the wild animals we see yesterday? Wild animals, காட்டு விலங்குகள் என்னென்ன? First one, lion, சிங்கம், lion. LION, lion. Tiger, TIGER, tiger. Wolf, WOLF, wolf. Next one, elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. Monkey, MONKEY, monkey. Cheetah, CHEETAH, cheetah. CHEETAH, cheetah. Next one, deer. What is this? Deer, man. DEER, deer. Hippopotamus, hippopotamus. HIPPOPOTAMUS, hippopotamus. Fox, 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 nari. Rhinoceros, 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 rhinoceros. Chimpanzee, 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 Is it EE? Chimpanzee. Bear. 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 Giraffe. 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 Panda. 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 Kangaroo. 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 Zebra. Zebra. Is it EBRA? Zebra. Okay dears, these are the domestic animals and wild animals we see in the last class, right dears? Now we are going to see birds names. What is this? Bird's name. Okay. Birds. 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 பறவைகள். Birds என்ன? பறவைகள். First one, hen. What is this? Hen. கோழி. HEN. 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 Next one, cock. 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 சேவல். COCK. Cock. Next one, crow. What is this? Crow. 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 Next one, turkey. 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 Dove. 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 Cuckoo. 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 What is this? This is cuckoo bird. It is one of the bird. What is this? Cuckoo. 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 Next one, what is this? It is a duck. What is this? Duck. 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 Quail. What is this? Quail. 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 Myna. Myna. This is a bird called myna. 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 Next one, this is a peacock. Mayil. Peacock. 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 Okay. PEACOCK. Peacock. We see peacock many places, right? In garden, park, we see peacock. Yes, dears? PEACOCK. Peacock. Next one, swan. This is a swan. 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 Parrot. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Birds, பறவைகள். Birds. What are the birds we see today? First one, hen. It is a hen. Second one, cock. What is this? Cock. Third one, crow. Crow. Turkey. Turkey. Dove. Dove. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Quail. Quail. Duck. Duck. Myna. Myna. Next one, peacock. Peacock. Swan. Swan. Parrot. Parrot. Okay, dears, these are the birds. Okay, next now we are going to see young ones of some birds and animals. How we call the young ones of the animals and birds. Okay, dears. கண்ணுக்குட்டி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? This is a young one of cow. Right? We call it as calf. Cow. Calf. C-O-W. Cow. Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. Cow. Calf. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Kid. K-I-D. Kid. Goat. Kid. Goat. Kid. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. And the young one of dog is called as puppy. Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Dog. Puppy. Dog. Puppy. Next one, cat. C-A-T. Cat. Kitten. The young one of cat is called as kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. Cat. Kitten. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Foal. F-O-A-L. Foal. Horse. Foal. Horse. Foal. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. And the young one of sheep is called as lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Sheep. Lamb. Sheep. Lamb. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. Tiger. Cub. Tiger. Cub. Next one, elephant. And the young one of elephant is called as calf. Okay. Also cow, calf. Young one of cow is called as calf. The young one of elephant is also called as calf. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. Elephant. Calf. Hen. Chicken. Hen. Chicken. H-E-N. Hen. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Hen. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. chicken, chicken. Hen, chicken. Next one, duck, duckling, duck, duckling. duck, duck, duckling. duckling, duckling, duck, duckling, duck, duckling. Okay dears, today your homework is you have to send a voice note on young ones of some birds and animals. Okay, any six birds and animals, you have to say the young one name, okay, and also the bird or animal name. Okay dears, thank you, have a nice day.